Question number 4. 5 times a certain whole number is equal to 3 less than twice the square of the number. Find the number. Let the number be x. According to question, 5 times a certain whole number is equal to 3 less than twice of the square of the number. 5 times 5x is equal to twice the square, 2 into x square, twice the square of number, and less than 3 minus 3. According to question, 5 times a certain number, that is 5x, is equal to 2 times the square, 2 into x square, and less than 3 less than 3 minus 3. According to statement, 5x equal to 2x square minus 3, and we are shifting 5x in right side. This will be 2x square minus 5x and minus 3, and this will be 0, that is equal to 0. It's a quadratic equation and we are splitting middle term. Product of first and last is equal to minus 6x raised to power 2, and we are taking two numbers, minus 6x and plus 1x. Their addition is equal to minus 5x and their product will be minus 6x square. Minus 6x plus x, that is equal to minus 5x, and minus 6x into x is equal to minus 6x raised to power 2. 2x square minus 6x plus x minus 3 is equal to 0. We are splitting minus 5x, that is equal to minus 6x plus x. Minus 6x plus x equal to minus 5x, minus 6x into x, that is equal to minus 6x raised to power 2. And we are taking common 2x in bracket x minus 3. 2x into x, that is 2x square, 2x into 3, 3 2s are 6x, and same here x minus 3 in bracket, and plus 1 is common, equal to 0. 1 into x, that is x, 1 into 3, 3 1s are 3, and 1 root x, 2x plus 1, other root x minus 3 is equal to 0. 2x equal to minus 1, or x is equal to positive 3, and x is equal to minus 1 upon 2. This is rejected and we get the number x is equal to 3. Required number is equal to 3. Answer. Question number 5. Sum of two natural number is 8 and the difference of their reciprocals is 2 upon 15. Find the number. Let x and y be two numbers. According to question, their sum x plus y is equal to 8, which implies y is equal to 8 minus x. And difference of their reciprocal, 1 upon x minus 1 upon y is equal to 2 upon 50, and we are putting y is equal to 8 minus x. 1 upon x minus 1 upon 8 minus x is equal to 2 upon 15, which implies LCM is 8 minus x divided by 8 minus x into x, that is equal to 2 upon 50. So 8 minus 2x upon 8x minus x square is equal to 2 upon 15. 15 is multiplying by left side, and 8x minus x square. X into 8, that is 8x, x into x, that is x square, and cross multiplying 15 into 8 minus 2x, that is equal to 2 into 8x minus x square. 15 8s are 120, and 15 2s are minus 30. X is equal to 16x minus 2x square. 8 2s are 16x minus 2 into x square, that is 2x square. Now we are shifting left side. 2x square will be positive, minus 30x, and 16, this will be negative 16x plus 120 equal to 0, which implies 2x square minus 48 minus 46x minus 46x plus 120 equal to 0, and we are taking common 2 in bracket x raised to power 2 minus 23x minus plus 60 is equal to 0. 2 is taking common. 23 2s are 46 and 62 2s are 120. So 2 is not equal to 0, and we get x raised to power 2 minus 23x plus 60 is equal to 0. Splitting by middle term, product of first and last is equal to 60x square, and we are taking two number, that is 20x and 3x. Sum of 20x and 3x equal to minus 23x, and their product will be 60x square. So we can write x square minus 20x minus 3x plus 60 equal to 0. Minus 20x minus 3x, that is minus 23x, and product of first and last is equal to 60x square. So 20x into 3x, that is 60x square. So we are taking common x in bracket x minus 20, x minus 20 in bracket minus 3 is common, equal to 0. X minus 3 and x minus 20 equal to 0. X is equal to 3 or x is equal to 20. X minus 3 equal to 0, this will be positive 3. X minus 20 equal to 0, x is equal to 20. So sum of two number is 8. 20 is reject, and we are taking x is equal to 3, and putting the value of x equal to 3 in this, we get the value of y, that is y is equal to 8 minus 3, which implies y is equal to 5. required numbers is equal to 3, 5. Answer. Let the number be x. According to question, 5 times the number is equal to 2 times the square of number and less than 3, according to question. So 2x square, 5x is shifting right side, this will be negative and it's a quadratic equation. 2x square minus 5x minus 3 equal to 0. 2x square minus 5x minus 3 is equal to 0, and we are splitting by middle term. Product of first and last equal to minus 6x square. We are taking two numbers, that is minus 6x and plus 1x. Their sum equal to minus 5x and product will be minus 6x square. So we are splitting minus 5x equal to minus 6x plus x, and we are taking common 2x in bracket x minus 3. In bracket x minus 3, 1 is common. So one root is 2x plus 1, other root is x minus 3 equal to 0. 2x plus 1 equal to 0, 2x equal to minus 1 and x equal to minus 1 upon 2. This is rejected and we are taking x minus 3 equal to 0, x is equal to 3. So the required number be 3. Answer. And question number 5. Let x and y be two numbers. Sum of two natural number is 8. X plus y is equal to 8 and y is equal to 8 minus x. And difference of their reciprocal is 2 upon 15. Difference and reciprocal. 1 upon x minus 1 upon y is equal to 2 upon 15. Y equal to 8 minus x. We are putting here. Then 1 upon x minus 1 upon 8 minus x equal to 2 upon 15, and cross multiplying both sides. 8 minus x into 1, that is 8 minus x. X into 1, x. Minus x, that is minus 2x. 8 minus 2x upon 8x minus x square. LCM is x into 8 minus x. 8 into x, that is 8x. X into x, that is x square, equal to 2 upon 15. Cross multiplying. 15 multiplied by 8 minus 2x and 2 multiplying 8x minus x square. 15 8s are 120 minus 30x is equal to 8 2s are 16x minus 2x square. 2x square is shifting left side, this will be positive, and minus 30x, 16x, this will be negative, plus 120 equal to 0. 16x minus 30x, both minus, this will be minus 46x, and plus 120 equal to 0. 2x square minus 46x plus 120 equal to 0. 2 is taking common. X square minus 23x plus 60 equal to 0. 2 is not equal to 0, and x square minus 23x plus 60 equal to 0. It's quadratic equation and we are splitting by middle term. Product of first and last equal to 60x square, positive, and we are taking two numbers, that is minus 20x minus 3x. This will be minus 23x, and taking common x in bracket x minus 20, x minus 20 in bracket, and 3 is common. 3 into x, that is 3x, 23s are 60. So one factor, one root is x minus 3, other root is x minus 20 equal to 0. X minus 3 equal to 0, x equal to 3, and x minus 20 equal to 0, x equal to positive 20. But we are taking x is equal to 3 because their sum of two number is 8. So x is not equal to 20, x is equal to 3, and we are putting x equal to 3 in here. We get the value of y, that is 5, that is 8 minus 3 equal to 5, and required numbers equal to 3, 5. Thank you.